Today, I'm excited to represent Group 9 to introduce you to our core product at 11 Cat Paradise, which is freeze-dried cat cubes, and how they stand up compared to traditional cat food. First, let's talk about the manufacturing process. Our freeze-dried cat cubes are made using advanced freeze-drying technologies. This process removes moisture at low temperatures, which help retain the natural nutrients and flavors of the ingredient while ensuring a long shelf life. Our cubes are mixed by high-quality ingredients such as goat milk, premium meat and fish, fruits. Our cat cubes is no added sugars, artificial color, and flavors. All is using the natural sweeteners from fruits. Besides, we also pack with natural probiotics to support digestion and rich in protein for overall feline health. One of the most remarkable features of our cat cubes is their versatility. They can be served dry, or you can add water to rehydrate them, making them soft and easier to eat for cats of all ages, including those with dental sensitivity. Our freeze-dried cat cubes are designed with health-conscious and eco-friendly pet owners in mind. They are highly nutritious and promote a healthy diet for cats. They also have a long shelf life, reducing waste and align with sustainability trends. Let me start by explaining the e-procurement process at 11 Cat Paradise. Step 1 begins with the production team identifying the materials required, such as goat milk, fish, probiotics, and vitamins. A detailed purchase requires is created based on our bill of materials to meet production targets. Step 2 involve approval by the operations manager. Once approved, the requires is sent to the purchasing department using e-procurement tools, ensuring traceability and minimizing manual error. In step 3, the purchasing teams identifying qualified supplier and initiates a bidding process for large orders. Requires for quotations or RFQ is sent to pre-approved suppliers detailing product requirements and terms. Finally, in step 4, bids are reviews. Are the supplier offering the best balance of cost, quality, and reliability is selected. A purchase order is then issued. This process allows us to ensure quality, efficiency, and transparency at every step. Now, let me walk you through our structured supplier selection process. We start by defining key performance dimensions like quality, cost, delivery reliability, communication, and innovation. These dimensions ensure we and our suppliers share clear expectations. Next, we monitor and collect data on supplier performance, tracking metrics such as delivery time, defect rates, and responsiveness. To align supplier evaluations with our goals, we assign weights to this dimension. For example, delivery reliability carries the highest weight at 40%, followed by quality at 30%, cost at 20%, and communication and innovations at 5% each. Suppliers are then scored on a scale of 0 to 100 for each dimensions. These scores are multiplied by the assigned weights and summed to calculate an overall score. Based on the result, suppliers are classified into categories: preferred, certified, conditional, or unacceptable. Finally, we conduct ongoing audits and reviews to ensure suppliers continue to meet our standards. This structured process allows us to build long-term partnerships with reliable suppliers while maintaining the high quality of our products. Demand forecasting involves predicting future customer demand based on the limited historical data, market trends, and qualitative method. It enables us to plan inventory, production, and resource allocations effectively. Since we have limited historical data, we rely on qualitative method, specifically customer surveys, to estimate monthly demands. Our surveys are designed to capture future purchasing needs, and which is helping us to anticipate demand. Second, opinions on products, which is identifying improvement and market gaps. Third one is the new products ideas, which is exploring customer driving innovation. Key features of the survey includes simple, clear questions like how many packs of raw pet food do you buy per month, targeting 30 premium pet food buyer, incentive like discount to increase participation. From our survey, 80% of the respondents, or 24 out of the 30, expressed interest in purchasing. On average, they plan to buy 3 packs per month. This helps us to project and estimate monthly demand of 72 packs for the initial launch. With raw material procurement, our ingredients include high-quality items like goat milk, fish, berries, and essential vitamins, probiotics, calcium, and protein. With no added sugars, synthetic colorants, and the flavors. We place great emphasis on the quality of these ingredients, which is why we secure reliable suppliers who are committed to quality assurance agreements. To be prepared for any unexpected demand surge, we maintain a stock of raw materials equivalent to 1.5 months of the production. About production planning, to ensure we meet our delivery goals, we have set a daily production target to create 80 to 100 packs per month initially. We will determine the ideal batch size for each production cycle, carefully balancing between minimizing production costs and avoiding wastage. Quality control is essential. Strict checks will be implemented at every stage to ensure that each batch meets our high standard for consistency and safety. Labor requirements are the key aspect of our operation. We have analyzed staffing levels to ensure that we have enough personnel to meet daily production target. Alongside this, we have provided our team with training on how to properly handle raw materials and use production equipment. During periods of high demand, we will bring in temporary workers to ensure that we continue to meet production goals without compromising quality. Packaging and storage are critical to maintaining product quality. Our packaging will be designed to reflect the 11 Cat Paradise brand while ensuring that our products stay fresh and safe for consumption. We also recognize the importance of maintaining a temperature controlled environment for both raw material and finished product. As such, we will invest in storage facilities that meet these needs. Finally, we turn to distribution logistics. To reach a wide customer base, we plan to partner with the local and regional distributor. We will ensure that our products are transported using refrigerated vehicles, keeping them fresh from production to delivery. Order fulfillment will be a top priority. We will implement an efficient system to ensure that all customer orders are processed and delivered on time. Now, let's take a look at our aggregate production planning for 11 Cat Paradise, which is designed to efficiently manage fluctuating demand for our freeze-dried cat cubes over the year. Starting with key parameters, our market demand is 2,400 packs per month on average, though it varies seasonally. Each pack takes 2 hours to produce, and each worker can contribute 176 regular hours plus 44 overtime hours each month. We have 25 workers available to meet production needs. Looking at the monthly demand, in January, we need 2,400 packs, which require 4,800 work hours. We will use 22 workers with overtime to meet this demand. In February, with demand dropping to 2,000 packs, 20 workers without overtime can manage it. As we move into spring, demand increases in March and April, requiring our full workforce with overtime. By summer, demand starts to drop, and we adjust the workforce accordingly, using fewer workers and eliminating overtime in some months. By the end of the year, the demand is lower, and we scale down the workforce to 14 workers in December to meet a reduced demand to 1,400 packs. This production plan helps us balance our labor allocation, ensuring we meet demand while managing costs and avoiding overstaffing during slower months. The MPS covers an 8-week period, where we forecast a total demand of 4,400 packs for our freeze-dried cat cubes. The goal is to meet this demand while ensuring efficient production using our available resources. In week 1 of January, we will produce 800 packs, split evenly between Pack A and Pack B. This helps us start meeting the January demand of 2,400 packs. Similarly, in week 2, we will produce 900 packs. In February, the demand drops slightly, and so we adjust our production. Week 1 will have 800 packs, and week 2 will have 500 packs. This brings us closer to meeting the February demands of 2,000 packs. Some weeks, specifically week 3 in January and week 6 in February, are designated as non-production period. This break allows us to focus on maintenance, stock management, and other operations tasks, providing flexibility and preventing workers overstrain during periods of lower demand. By the end of the 8-week period, we ensure our production total reach 4,400 packs, which aligns perfectly with the forecast demand without causing overproduction. This MPS ensures we balance productions efficiently with demand, allowing us to meet customer needs while optimizing resources. Of materials or BOM for the freeze-dried cat cubes. The BOM is structured into 3 levels. At level 0, we have the finished product, which is our freeze-dried cat cubes. At level 1, we identify the base mix, which is prepared before the freeze-drying process. This ensures all the ingredients are combined into a consistent mixture ready for the next stage. At level 2, we list the raw material and ingredients needed for the base mix. This includes goat milks, fish, meats, fruits, and a mix of the vitamins, a probiotic blend, calcium supplement, and a protein supplement. This structure makes it easy to track each component at different stages of production. By identifying raw materials at level 2, we can plan ahead and make sure they are procured on time, avoiding delays in the productions of our freeze-dried cat cubes. In summary, our BOM helps streamline the production process, ensuring we have all the resources needed for each step and helping us maintain smooth, efficient manufacturing operations. MRP, the Materials Requirements Planning for the freeze-dried cat cubes. Level 0 represents our finished product, the freeze-dried cat cubes. We start by calculating the gross requirements, which is the total demand over the next 8 weeks based on customer orders or forecasts. For example, we require 800 units per week. We then account for the scheduled receipts, which are the incoming suppliers from previous order. The projected on-hand inventory tracks how much stock we have to at the end of each week, and this helps us ensure we meet our demand while keeping a safety stock of 100 units. Based on this calculation, we release planned orders to trigger production with a lead time of 1 week. At level 1, we focus on the base mix, which is needed to make the cat food cubes. If 800 units of freeze-dried cat cubes are required in week 1, then 800 units of base mix are required. The process follows a similar logic as level 0. We track scheduled receipts and projected on-hand inventory for the base mix, and we plan order releases to meet the demand, ensuring the requirement safety stock of 50 units. In week 1, for instance, we will release a planned order of 500 units of base mix to meet production's need. At level 2, we list the assembly component needed to make the base mix. We need 500 units of base mix in week 1, then we also need the corresponding amount of assembly component. We follow the same process here by calculating gross requirement, tracking scheduled receipts, and monitoring projected on-hand inventory. In week 1, we plan an order release for 1,000 units of assembly components, ensuring we have enough inventory to meet the demand and maintain our safety stock of 100 units.
Capacity planning strategy for 11 Cat Paradise. We project an average monthly demand of 2,400 packs with fluctuation between 1,400 to 3,200 packs depending on the season. The highest demand is in March, April and July, and the lower is in November and December, driven by trends like increased pet ownership and a growing preference for natural, high-quality ingredients. In terms of production capacity, each pack takes about 2 hours to produce. With 25 workers, we can produce up to 2,700 packs per month, including overtime. Currently, we are utilizing 85% of our equipment capacity, but there's a room to improve efficiency through better training. ERP systems play a key role in capacity planning by centralizing data and providing real-time insights. It helps us with demand forecasting, resource allocation, automated production, scheduling, and monitoring performance through KPIs, which improve productivity. Implementing ERP involves selecting the right system, integrating it with our existing processes, customizing it to our needs, training employees, and continuously optimizing its performance. Inventory management strategy for 11 Cat Paradise. Inventory management is crucial for ensuring we have the right amount of raw materials and products at the right time, which help us meet the customer's demand and optimize production. By carefully managing inventory, we can minimize holding costs, avoid stock outs, and improve operational efficiency. At 11 Cat Paradise, we focus on managing key raw material like goat milk, fish or berries, vitamins, probiotics, calciums, and protein. These materials are essential for producing our freeze-dried cat food cubes and must be managed with precision to ensure consistent product quality and timely production. To optimize inventory, we use the ABC inventory control system, which divides our inventory into 3 categories. A items are high value but low quantity items, contributing about 70 to 80% of our total inventory value. These items require frequent monitoring and careful management. B items have moderate value and quality, contributing around 15 to 25% to the total value. These are managed with regular checks and moderate restocking. C items are low value but high quality items, making up just 5 to 10% of the total inventory value. They require simple controls and less frequent restocking. These classifications allow us to focus our resources on the most valuable items, helping us optimize inventory levels, reduce costs, and streamline operations. Process management at 11 Cat Paradise, where our aim is to optimize production efficiency and product quality while minimizing costs. Process management involves systematically planning, monitoring, and improving business processes. The goal is to streamline operations, enhance productivity, and ensure consistent quality to meet customer expectations. To achieve this, we have adopted 2 powerful methodologies, which is Lean Production and Six Sigma. Lean Production is about maximizing efficiency by minimizing waste. We use tools like value stream mapping to identify the eliminated activities that don't add value, such as unnecessary materials, movement, or idle times. We also use the Kanban system, which help manage inventory and production stage, ensuring we have materials exactly when needed. Additionally, Kaizens, a continuous improvement approach, encourage employees to suggest small improvements that lead to long-term productivity gains. On the other hand, Six Sigma focus on reducing defects and process variability. We follow the DMAIC framework, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control, to identify inefficiencies, collect data, and implement solutions. For example, we use Statistical Process Control (SPC) to monitor and address process variations in real time, ensuring high-quality products. By combining lean production and Six Sigma, we achieve improved efficiency by reducing waste and streamlined workflows, higher quality products ensuring consistency and customer satisfaction, cost saving by optimizing resource usage and reducing defects, sustainability through reduced waste.
I'm going to talk about recommendation. 11 Cat Paradise should improve its supply chain management (SCM) to achieve sustainable growth. These include investing in advanced technology like ERP system, building strong supplier relationship, adapting just-in-time inventory practice, expanding production capacity, sourcing eco-friendly ingredients, priorities expanding process improvement with lean process and Six Sigma methodologies, expanding market reach toward local and international channels, investing in distribution, logistics, and utilize this customer feedback to tailor product to preference and drive innovation. This strategy aims to streamline inventory and production process, reduce waste, and increase accessibility and customer base. 11 Cat Paradise, a market leader in the pet food sector, is optimizing its supply chain management technique to maintain growth and ensure long-term success. The company can reduce costs and increase operationally effectively by implementing advanced technologies, strengthening supply relationship, and embrace sustainable practice. 11 Cat Paradise can achieve scalability and long-term success by leveraging customer insight and aligning this strategy with customer values. Thank you.